Stephen Fennick from Tech Guide here, and we're here to talk about the Bose frames. That's right, Bose have made sunglasses, but not just any old sunglasses. These sunglasses actually include earphones. You might not see them, there's nothing in my ears, but there is an acoustic package in each of the arms of the sunglasses with tiny speakers that fire the audio directly into your ears. But let's take a look at the sunglasses themselves. They're made out of very lightweight plastic. They look like a regular pair of sunglasses. The only giveaway are these quite thick arms on either side. That's where the acoustic package is located. So that's the reason for the left and right arms being larger than normal. There are speakers out of the back of the arms too, so that rests right above where your ears are located, so that the speaker actually fires the audio down towards your ear so that you can hear it quite clearly. It is nicely designed, very lightweight. It's got the gold-plated hinges as well. There's even the charging pin is here on the arm as well, so you've got a special USB cable that magnetically attaches to this pin. And overall, it looked like a regular pair of sunglasses. There is one button as well on the right arm, which is right here. And this is what you use to turn on the sunglasses, to navigate your music. Generally, all the controls are through here. Answer your phone calls as well. I find it odd though, it's located in a really strange place, because that tends to be where I pick up the sunglasses, and there's been a few times where I've actually turned the sunglasses off accidentally. On the audio side, they do sound actually pretty good. Bose has a very long heritage in the audio space, and they've delivered really good audio for these sunglasses. If you're a fan of a lot of heavy bass, that's probably where these glasses suffer. The bass is a little thin. Given their design, where there's nothing in your ears, that's not surprising. But bass could have been a little bit better, but it's not a deal breaker. The music or whatever you're listening to still sounds really good. It is really good to be able to hear your audio with nothing in your ears. So if you're a runner, you're a cyclist, if you do need to hear the outside world, the Bose frames actually do a great job. The downside of not having anything in your ears though is that the sound can be easily drowned out. I found when I was walking or running, especially near a busy main road where there was a lot of noise, the sound was almost completely drowned out. That's probably one of the only downsides I've found of the Bose frames. Now, Bose says that the sound from the Bose frames are directed only at the listener. And they say there's no sound leakage. Well, I've got news. There is sound leakage. If someone was sitting next to you, maybe on a bus or a train, they'll be able to hear everything you're listening to, including your phone calls. That's right, you can answer your phone through the Bose frames as well. Very clear, by the way, too. So the person that I was talking to had no idea that I was talking to them through a pair of sunglasses, and they sounded very clear to me as well. The only downside of making calls on the Bose frames is that you're walking down the street. I did this myself. I had the phone in my back pocket, and I was talking on the phone, but there's nothing in my ears. So when people were passing by, they thought I was going nuts. I was just talking to myself. Usually when someone sees you talking on the phone, there's something in your ear, and they understand straight away that you're on a phone call. In this case, all I was wearing were sunglasses, nothing in my ears. People thought I'd gone round the bend. There were a couple of occasions where I had to explain to people that I was actually on the phone despite there being nothing in my ears. There was one gentleman that actually stopped me to ask what they were, and I did show them to him, and he put them on, and he was fascinated. He couldn't believe that the music or whatever I was listening to from my phone was actually coming through the sunglasses as clearly as it was, and could be so easily heard. And all you need to do is put on a pair of sunglasses. So if you don't like having things jammed in your ear like regular earphones, these are a great solution. One thing I don't like about wearing earphones or earbuds, especially when you have to force them right into your ear canal, and everything you hear from your footsteps to anything, you can hear it all through your skull. With these are sort of more an open design, and you don't have that issue, and you can still hear your music in pretty good quality. The Bose frames are available in two styles. I'm wearing the Alto, which are the squarer, larger frames, but there's also the Rondo, which have more circular lenses and are slightly smaller. So you do have a couple of choices there. These are priced at $299.95 here in Australia. And if you're after a good pair of sunglasses, which actually cost about that much here anyway, and you want a decent audio system as well, some good earphones, then you got a two-in-one product right here.